Welcome to Dragon in the Philippines. Today we will witness the power and skill of the United States Marine Corps V-22 Osprey as it engages in a joint exercise in the Philippines. Let's see how this helicopter is an important element in this exercise, strengthening interstate relations and shared strength. The Bell Boeing V-22 Osprey is a high-wing tiltrotor military aircraft with vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) and short takeoff and landing (STOL) capabilities. This aircraft was designed to combine the superior functionality of a conventional helicopter with the long-range performance of a turboprop aircraft. The Osprey aircraft was the first mass-produced tiltrotor aircraft, with a three-bladed propeller, turboprop engine and transmission nacelles mounted on each wingtip. This aircraft is categorized as a powered lift aircraft by the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA. 4. During takeoff and landing, the aircraft is typically operated in helicopter mode with a vertical nacelle and horizontal rotor. After flight, the nacelle is rotated 90 degrees forward to perform horizontal flight, putting the aircraft in conventional turboprop mode, which is more efficient and faster. STOL capability can be achieved if the nacelle is tilted 45 degrees during takeoff and landing. For compact storage and transport modes, the V-22's wings can be rotated so they are parallel to the fuselage. The propeller blades can also be folded so that the aircraft can be stored efficiently on aircraft carriers. The use of composite materials in this aircraft reaches 43% of the entire aircraft frame. Propeller blades also use composite materials. Two Rolls-Royce AE1107C engines at both ends of the wings were connected by drive shafts to a common central gearbox so that one engine could drive both propellers if one engine failed. Most Osprey missions use a fixed-wing flight mode to reduce wear on aircraft components and reduce operating costs. Thank you for watching Dragon in the Philippines, where we witnessed the greatness of the V-22 Osprey in building cooperation and strength in the region. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video to appreciate joint efforts to maintain regional security. See you in the episode next.